after 191,000. There's your brake. There's your brake.
Jay Hunto's garage.
Jay Hunto's garage, not Jay Leno's garage.
Jay Hunto's garage.
Jay Hunto's garage.
Jay Hunto's garage.
What in the wide, wide world of sports is going on here?
Valve cover gaskets. GM 4.3 liter V6. These guys here start leaking when it gets cold. Yeah, that's what all this is. And then at some point in time it dripped a lot. No bueno. So this should take care of it. It's because they get flat. So I got some new ones. I'm gonna slap those in. So this is literally unbolt it, put a new gasket on, bolt it back on.
Sure.
We've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts around the perimeter. 8 bolts. I took the coil off just to get a place to smack this a little bit with the breaker bar and a hammer. That got it off. No problem. So now just new gaskets from O'Reilly, like $32. I'll slap those on. Yeah, and these are hard as a rock. After 191,000, there's your brake. There's your brake right there, and that's where it was leaking. No, it wasn't. It's leaking towards the back. Sorry. Anyway, 191,000 miles. But this is very brittle. Hard as a rock. I guess I can't complain. Got 190,000 miles out of it. Easy off, easy on, and I think this one's the hard side. Tools I used for this is a 10mm socket. All the bolts on this are 10mm. They're all the same size on the passenger side, except for this. This holds a little bracket that holds your heater hose to the cylinder head, and got a little electric ratchet just to make sure I don't over tighten anything, and a screwdriver to help pry off the connectors and the spark plug wires. And then this is what I gently massaged the valve cover off of the head with. But that's it. Easy job. This is the if you got a V6, this is what I bought. I don't even see a part number on it. There it is. There's your part number.
Are you talking to me?
If you have to remove ignition coil, they're literally 2 bolts. Right here. $10mm here, 10mm there. Connect your spark plug wire and your ignition with a little red lock. You got to pull this up to get this off. They're kind of a pain. This is your PVC. That's got to connect to there as well. All you need is a little baby ratchet like this. Make sure you torque everything to the proper torque spec. Click. Okay, that's everything with this PVC hose. Just clicks right on. You have to squeeze this gray ring to get it off. Got all the coil wires on. All 3. All these red tabs are pushed down. Got this bracket installed. Got all 3, in this case, coil plug wires on. Now I can put the beauty cover on it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now on to the next one. Driver's side. Somebody keeps up with their oil changes. That looks nice. 191,000 miles.
Nice. Nice. Not thrilling, but nice.
Not Jay Leno's garage.